If you've been grinding on an animal-based or carnivore diet, but you still don't have a visible six-pack staring back at you in the mirror, you are doing it straight up wrong. This is me after 8 straight years of training hard, dieting right, so to speak. I was eating mostly meat, fruit, and vegetables, quote-unquote healthy. I still had no abs, no constant energy, no laser-sharp focus that I enjoyed today, and worst of all, I had constant inflammation. Not only did I have the back, elbows, and knees of an old man, but at the same time I was riddled with autoimmune conditions, irritable bowel syndrome, eczema, the works. But then the carnivore diet absolutely changed my life. It made me healthier. However, it didn't get me exactly the physique that I wanted. It allowed me to gain muscle without even training properly back then. But once I started to, one, adapt the diet properly to, my physique, via the 4 phases that I'll explain in this video, and then at the same time training in a work capacity fashion, that's where carnivore becomes, natural gear, essentially. I do not take gear, I remain natural, and I always will. And at the end of the day, if you do approach this the way that the greats of old, before gear ever existed, if you understand that high-fat, mostly 99.999%, in our case 100% animal diets, plus proper training, not this nonsense that you see from the Jeff Nippards of the world, leads to significantly better gains than all the nonsense you see out there, such as low volume training, tracking your calories, doing cardio. I have continuously gotten bigger and leaner over the last 1.5 years of running this page. You can go watch on Instagram, day 1 of having the page to now. You'll see my initial 90-day transformation, and then I switched over to my total days of doing carnivore. But yeah, you can watch in real time. I have been lifting and dieting for a pretty long time, but I would argue that 90% of my gains have been made in the last year or so. Because it wasn't until about 6 months into making this page that I had to figure out how to not only get stronger and more muscular, but also leaner without doing cardio steps or restricting what I was eating, because I need to eat until complete satiety. That's how carnivore works, and that's how you feel your best. But I sit at a desk all day. I work nonstop. I work in finance, and if you think that you can get away with the modern fitness influencer approach of doing 10, 20,000 steps a day, doing cardio, going to failure on every training session, not every single training session being an issue, but rather the problem is that most of their sets are to failure, whereas most of my sets are not. I still do some sets to failure. Anyway, my whole point is that if you do that normal, quote unquote influencer approach, it's just not going to work if you only have like 1.5 hours tops total for both cooking and working out in the gym. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down my exact system that I used to go from skinny fat, not exactly looking the way that I want to a much more impressive physique that I now enjoy and maintain and continue to grow, despite doing 80, 90, sometimes 100-hour work weeks. So let's get into it. Before we get into it, you gotta first meet the old version of me. As I was explaining before, I was weak and frail and runty for basically my entire life. I was constantly in and out of doctor's office. I was anxious as hell. As I mentioned earlier, my gut, my skin, my brain not working properly. I couldn't sleep more than 1 hour without waking up, and every single morning I couldn't get out of bed unless I was slamming caffeine. It was torture. Not to mention, I had the strength of a girl and couldn't even do a push-up for most of my life. And I most certainly could not speak the way that I do now, which has allowed me to network in business. I am quite young, yet I work in private equity, and I work alongside business partners where I have some ownership. I am not just a corporate peon. And I have done all of this despite having basically a negative starting point. Not to mention, on top of the multiple businesses that we run as a firm, I also have hundreds of clients. Every single one of them gets absolutely jacked because I tell them exactly what to do and I tailor things precisely to what they need. But anyway, my former self definitely couldn't do any of that shit. This was literally my Tinder photo. If you think that was getting any attention, y'all, I hate to break it to you. Obviously, this was way before I found the Lord. No more Tinder games for me. But you see the point. On top of all this nonsense, brutal autoimmune flares, as I was mentioning earlier. Bathroom stuff was a nightmare, spending 2 hours of the time on the toilet. Random inflammation just hitting my joints, my eyes, my hair, scalp itching, all this kind of stuff. Whole system in absolute chaos. And at the same time, I didn't have the physique I wanted. And I was told that counting my macros or calories or going to a deficit would help. But in reality, all that happened was I got more skinny fat. I went from fat to skinny fat. And I was eating in a quote-unquote deficit. I was eating clean meat, fruit, safe veggies like avocado, and what happened? I still looked like shit. I still dealt with all of the same issues in my body and my brain. It wasn't a magical cure-all, as I genuinely see carnivore, which is why I am so vehemently against the Paul Saladino crap, because sure, it's better than eating Big Macs, but it completely negates the anti-inflammatory mystical almost benefits that you get from a true carnivore diet. So when I switched to actually what works, both diet-wise and training-wise, I am now 225 pounds of sheer muscle. I am significantly leaner, obviously, but I'm the exact same body weight. Visible abs, insane energy, my income has, multiplied, let's say. And also I have the confidence to speak like this, which I'm sure is a bit rich coming with the mask, obviously. I am unmasked when I am talking to my business partners, clients, everybody. But I can tell you, on top of the brain power benefits that you get in this anti-inflammatory state, having a physical presence in which you are broad-shouldered, it's a pretty rare commodity to have in pretty much any industry, especially in private equity, where most people are kind of built like, either bean poles or like oranges with toothpicks on them. So when you're able to stand out like that, you are able to command room and, kind of get people to see that you take care of yourself and that you can be trusted with things. And if you can't be trusted with your own body, people can see that. What you see in the mirror is exactly what everybody else sees, not just you. But back to the topic of this video, I eat until I am completely full all the time. I run through the 4 phases of my diet, depending on which goal I currently have. But you have to do the first 3 before the last 4th one. I train no more than an hour 5 times a week. I don't do any cardio. I don't get really any steps, damn near 0. I barely take any supplements other than vitamin D, some mineral stuff, and that's about it. And obviously 0 gear whatsoever. And I still have a 6-pack year-round. I'm never going to be out of shape or not at a lower body fat percentage ever again, because I know what I'm doing now. And it gets me fired up, and I can't stop talking about it. Hence why I had to don the mask and do it anyway and just, talk about it. I did not expect this page to blow up the way that it has. And finance is quite a snobby industry where you can't exactly have your face plastered on Google. Because after I made my own results, I put my whole family on it. My dad lost like 80 pounds. He's no longer on anything from the health experts, if you know what I mean. Reversed his diabetes completely. Pre-diabetic level insulin insensitivity. My mom beat a literal eating disorder. Her hair grew back. She's no longer dependent on caffeine. Same for my brother. Completely kicked the 1,000 milligrams of caffeine he was having every day. He got absolutely jacked. And now he has that same limitless energy that I run on, and he's a surgeon, so he really needs that. And this inspired me to take to the internet, and as a result, I have hundreds of happy clients. Every single one of them transforms into the best shape of their life. I have not had a single guy I couldn't get results for. Because this isn't some random idea that I just dreamt up. I have built this on myself. I experiment everything on me first. And if I can ensure that it works with somebody as garbage genetics as mine, then I know that, as long as I make, the necessary tailorings that I need per person, then it will work every single time without fail, because we systematize it into everybody's life that comes through my doors. And this is my life's work. So, keeping my guys accountable and locking them exactly where they need to be is my calling in life. But the online fitness influencer clowns, they don't like me because I have 10 times the amount of client results that they do, despite having 1/10 of their followers. And they constantly slide in my comments on Instagram hating because, I say stuff like calories don't exist, That gets them pretty mad because calories are like their religion. But then again, it's because their lifestyle is not transferable to normal human beings that actually have shit to do, families to take care of, businesses to run, all that stuff. You just simply can't do that with the cardio, with the steps, with the failure training, with the constant, weighing your food and calorie tracking. There is no way I would even have a drop of muscle or a single ab popping if I had to do that to maintain my lifestyle alongside my stressful work schedule. But yet, I am able to because I get to eat like a king, train like a king, and feel fantastic on not that much time. But again, this has worked for every single man I have ever coached. And woman. Proof is right there. No pudding on my plate, but you catch my drift. So let's get into why you might have failed in the past and why I failed as well at this diet, at training as well. You have been fed lies nonstop. Influencers with these top tier genetics or secret gear usage are pretending they are all natural or that they had a lower starting point like mine. They push these trash supplements, cardio, starvation diets. It's all bullshit, excuse my French. The real deal is very simple, okay? You don't even need the Paul Saladino animal-based stuff. You don't need freaking carbs. That's just limiting you, in my opinion. You don't need to track calories. Most of my guys, if they do, just for, shits and gigs, put their calories into a calculator, they're eating double. Sometimes, I had a guy lose 100 pounds eating 4,000 calories a day. You know what I mean? 4-phase carnivore is the foundation, and so is work capacity training, but you gotta run it in a way that fires up your metabolism. You need to get your appetite higher. If you're only eating 2 pounds a day, most of my guys are eating in excess of 3, 4, maybe even more depending on their height, if you're tall like me. Because once we remove things that screw with your metabolism, whether it be plants, whether it be caffeine, gas station pouches, which are super easy to come off of if you do it properly, remove these things that mess with your insulin sensitivity, your gut, your ability to recover, your ability to clean out your brain when you sleep and thus have more efficient, shorter sleep, and then use the training in the opposite direction to push the metabolism and the appetite up, we're able to add more fuel and thus have a bigger fire, which is the exact opposite of what these goofy deficit influencers push. And again, because they pile on the cardio, they're able to be lean doing the 2 sets to failure nonsense. But in reality, you need to compare 2 versions of training. If you've got 60 minutes to go to the gym, everybody does. But I personally don't have more. Who do you think is going to make better gains? The guy that's only moving for 10 to 15 minutes worth of that 60 minutes because he's resting 3+ minutes between sets? Or the guy that does those 3-minute rest periods only for his main work, and then after that, he's doing less rest period timing. And as a result, he's actually moving for 45 minutes plus worth of that hour. This allows you to train your body to do more work in less time, which I call work capacity, which the training greats of old also call work capacity. And this is exactly what they hammered before gear ever existed. So anyway, combining both the diet and the training, the system makes you leaner, stronger, bigger, mentally quicker, everything that you want, but they work in tandem. The training feeds the diet and the diet feeds the training. But I believe in it so strongly because my guys and myself are living proof that this works. And that's why I'm so fired up to text and call my guys basically all day long, because I work remotely and I'm able to do that in between meetings. So again, don't just trust me, look at the proof. My guy Dan, straight fat to diced in a matter of months. My guy James, completely off of TRT, and he looks elite. Noah stacked on a ton of muscle despite being skinny fat. Ketosis, again, is the best anabolic environment, the best way to add slabs and pounds of muscle. Another client of mine named James, he had the exact same scale weight when he ended, but he torched so much fat and built so much muscle that staying at that same weight, he looked tremendously different. Jeff here lost 30 pounds in 6 weeks because he was doing a Paul Saladino approach beforehand, the raw dairy trap, which I don't recommend unless you are already shredded and insulin sensitive. Octavio basically divided his body weight Pre-diabetes completely gone. Brandon had the classic dad bod to shredded transformation. Ivan went from being kind of bulky and chunky to big and shredded, which the posers tell you can't do naturally, which is straight coke. So as you can see, my guys don't just change, they now know exactly how to be that guy, how to be lean, jacked, and healthy for life. And just like me, they pass it on to their families, they got more confidence, more productivity, more to give to the world. If you want to understand the world, you need to think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. And energy that you genuinely have running through and coursing through your body is the absolute key. And in my opinion, ketosis, proper carnivore, fueled by training to allow the mitochondria to enhance their capacity, that is the best way to get sky-high energy levels far above any person on the planet right now. Because the average person eats like the average person, like a peasant, and they are certainly not training properly at all. I genuinely believe that this unlocks what humans are meant to be. Strong, injury resilient, physical specimens, same deal up here. Not weak, passive, and docile as they want you to be. Hence why they feed you the way that they do. And as a result, people are weak, in pain, inflamed up here and in their bodies, leading to skinny fatness, all the above, ruining people's testosterone. That is not how God made us. So again, here is how I structure it every single time I tailor programs for my clients. First, a full assessment. We're gonna figure out where your body's at right now, what your current diet and appetite are at right now. How much you're actually eating is absolutely key. Most guys are way under what they should be. And then we crank that metabolism. Then week by week, I tailor your custom training, work capacity style, of course. It is unlike anything you have ever seen. And then of course, we phase out the diet steps. It's different for each person. We lengthen certain phases. But to summarize, the first phase is fat adaptation. We need to kind of figure out where your metabolism is at right now, flatten variables, eliminate things, and see what your body does in terms of appetite when just the training is added and just pure carnivore is done. Then phases 2 and 3, priming is where we jack up the meal frequency, some people longer than others. Then in the sensitization phase, we're going to play around with a little bit of, I don't want to say the F word on here, but I think you know what I mean. Nothing long though, nothing multi-day, just a few sprinkled throughout the week, usually in the 24-hour range. But some people need more than others. But I got nobody out here doing long-term fasting. I don't think that's a good idea aesthetically. And then after that, all 3 of those phases are done in a high-fat style, eating until you're completely full. And you need to get to the point where your metabolism and your appetite are way higher. Usually people reach the point where they're eating 4, maybe even 5 pounds by the end of that 3-phase cycle. Then and only then, we play around with your fat and protein ratios in the fat cycling phase. Because once we get you super insulin sensitive and your body knows how to partition all of its nutrients to muscle, not to fat, that is why the second my guys hit phase 4, when the previous 3 are done properly, the fat just falls straight off. Take a look at my guy Max here. But again, my whole point is that in teaching all this stuff to my guys, we're building a forever system so that my guys can text me even years later after we're done saying they're still just absolutely crushing it. Because if whatever you're doing is not sustainable, you're not going to be consistent with it. And as a result, you're going to get beaten by guys that are able to do what they have to do in a short amount of time, every single day, years on end. And that is why I guarantee every single one of my guys, if you follow what I give you and you don't see results, you pay nothing, which is why I've never had a refund. Most of these nonsensical influencers on the internet, I actually know some of the guys that run their payment processors. And you would be shocked to see that a lot of these big fitness influencers have like a 50% refund rate. I got goose egg. So my shit, when tailored properly, works for every single person that I've come across. But because my time is limited, this is not like open to everybody, because there are a lot of people out there that won't follow instructions and don't execute. They don't apply, they don't send me feedback several times a day as I require. And as a result, I don't even let those people into my program. Because again, I've only got so much time. I only want to work with guys that get shit done so that they then know how to do this stuff for the rest of their lives. So if you're trying to take things to the next level, let me know, but my attention goes to my clients first, and results matter the absolute most to me. So if you are serious about getting in the best shape of your life and staying that way, building that way forever, then apply in the link below. Spots do fill fast, but do not waste my calendar time. If your application is accepted, we can jump on a call, get you walk through exactly how to start, and get you strong, healthy, full of energy permanently. So book a call below, let's get to work, and I will see you guys in the next video. Jesus is King, love you all.